Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, well, whatever screen you're on, if you click home menu, it takes you to that. You've got phone, please pair phone, search new, click search new. I'm going to go into Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom, device to vehicle. Please use your phone to search for this vehicle, Range Rover Evoque, hands-free. Click on hands-free. Now again, hopefully, I've not just found this guy who's parked in front here. Put a PIN number in, I'm going to use 4 noughts, click. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro is trying to pair yes. So it will now ask me for the PIN number, which was 000. Okay. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. You'll see there your sat nav on your phone has come up. That's it, phone connected. Easy as that.